Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mouse Tech. In this video I'm going to be guiding you on how to set up internet settings for Airtel network in Madagascar. So guys, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you get any problem, just comment. Let me start up the tutorial. Dear members in Madagascar, you're going to come where you have our phone settings, and then we're going to look for, don't forget to like the video to support us, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. If you get any problem, I'm going to be available in the comment section. These are the premium 4G, 5G and 6G internet settings for your network Airtel in Madagascar. So we're going to come right here where we have dual SIM and mobile network, or you guys are going to come where we have the search. Due to the differences in the devices, you're going to come where you search from and then type in access point names, but I'm going to come step by step, beginner friendly, and then I choose dual SIM and mobile network. What I'm looking for is the mobile network. I'm going to choose my Airtel SIM card, which is SIM 2, and then I'm going to come where we have access point name. This is my Airtel Madagascar, and then I'm going to be choosing access point name. Perform this on Airtel Madagascar. Now you won't regret. These APN settings, we are satisfied, and they just connect to the satellite and they enjoy a fast, a stable and a secure internet access. So come where I have access point name, and then we are going all to come where I have this press button. This press button, due to the difference in devices, this press button may also be right here down. It depends on which device you are using. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, but make sure that you add a new APN, and this is how we're going to set it. As the name, we're going to use Airtel Premium Madagascar. As I've written these words, Airtel capital A, P capital P, M capital M, Madagascar. Then the APN, you're going to use IMS, but this IMS must be in capital letters like that. And then the port, you're going to be connected to 443. And then the server, leave the username and the password, leave them as they are. I'm going to use http www.google.com. The reason why I'm using this as a server is because Google is providing a stable, it provides us with a stable DNS of 82828 and 82828, 828 to 424. Those are the DNS which are the most used for stable internet connection. So here we have MMS port 443, and then the APN type, you want to either put default or leave it as it is, and the authentication type, don't set it. The APN protocol, put that one, IPv4/IPv6, and that one also. The roaming protocol, set it as like that. Leave the bearer unspecified, and then by doing that we would have set a 4G, 5G and 6G APN settings in Madagascar. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, and then come where I have save. This one, save, and then save. Make sure that after saving, when there are multiple APNs, for example, let me try to show you this. If I have also this APN and also this APN, and then make sure that the green or blue, these are difference in devices, it is right here in the Premium Madagascar, like that. When it is not in this one, make sure that it is in that one, and then after, just save, and you will be able to enjoy a fast, a secure and a stable internet on our Airtel Madagascar. Don't forget to subscribe. I sign out.